welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this Miss Argentina makeup look and also how you can style her wig as well. If you're not already, definitely make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel because this is part of my Halloween series where I'm going to be uploading a new Halloween themed makeup look every weekday for the entire month of October. Also, I'm doing a huge Halloween giveaway here on my channel for the month of October, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video to see how you can enter that as well. And with all of that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can turn yourself into Miss Argentina, then just keep watching. Hey spoops, so to get started I'm going to be showing you how I cut and styled the wig. I ordered this wig off of Amazon and it was absolutely perfect. However, I did find that the bangs were a little bit too long, so I'm going to be pinning the rest of the hair back, sectioning off the bangs, and this is not the professional way to do it whatsoever, but I'm just going to be doing a rough straight cut along the bangs, and of course, didn't turn out quite the best, so we're going to be going in for a second time to make them a little bit shorter. And what I like about this is I kind of kept them a little bit longer at the outer edges, and this kind of helped frame my face nicely. And then I'm just going to be pushing my bangs upward and spraying the root with some hairspray, and this is going to help give the bangs a little bit more volume before going ahead, touching up the cut of the bangs. And I'm going to be pulling the majority of the hair backwards in a ponytail, leaving out two sections in the front, where I'm then going to be pulling those pieces back and tying that into a ponytail, where I'm also going to be pulling that upwards and merging it with the first ponytail. So now what I'm going to do with those little pieces, and I'm just going to be doing little mini pin curls where I'm going to be twisting them into circles and bobby pinning them into place, and then making sure to seal all of this using some of my got2b glued hairspray. And that is the easy way that you can cut and style Miss Argentina's wig. Next, we're going to be moving on to makeup. I'm going to be starting off by popping in some brown contact lenses before taking my Buckle Bunny Beauty Sheer Perfection Primer and applying this all over my face. I'm then going to be taking my Moon Creations body paint in bright green and mixing that with some of my Mare Paradise paint in teal, and in my opinion this created the perfect shade for Miss Argentina because she's definitely green but she still has a few blue tones as well, so I absolutely love this color, and so I'm just going to be applying this all over my face and bringing this down to my neck and body as well. I painted about 2 to 3 coats of that, and then once I'm ready to set it, I'm actually going to be taking some baby powder on a large fluffy brush and just applying this all over my body. I'm then going to be going into my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in white, and I'm just going to be applying this under my eyes and bringing this down to my chin as well. This is really going to help highlight my face without disrupting the foundation at all. And then of course you just want to make sure to blend this out as you go, so that way it's not too streaky or that it doesn't have any harsh lines. I'm then going to be setting my face with my Airspun Translucent Powder before going into my Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro Palette. And I'm going to be taking 𝐌𝐞𝐝, and I'm going to be using this to apply under my eyes and then just blending this down to the areas that we added the concealer. Next, I'm going to be taking Pillow Talk, and I'm going to be applying this to the same area. Once again, this is going to help brighten this under eye area while still maintaining some of those green blue tones. And I'm even going to be applying this under my cheekbones as well. For my contour, I'm going to be taking Vex from the palette, and I'm going to be applying this under my cheekbones and then even bringing this up to my temples as well. And then of course, I'm also going to be applying this to my jawline to help give myself a little bit of a slimmer, angular look. And I'm even going to be bringing this down to my neck, and then you just want to make sure to blend all of this out. I'm then going to be taking Mood from the palette, and then I'm going to be applying this right on top of Vex, and this is going to help add a few more blue tones, but also still maintain the cool tones of some contour. For my highlight, I'm going to be taking Fair Play from the palette, and I'm just going to be applying this to my cheekbones and bringing this down the bridge of my nose. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking 𝐌𝐞𝐝 from the palette, and I'm going to be applying this under my lash line and then bringing that and applying that to my eyelids as well before taking Making Waves and doing the exact same thing. I'm going to be applying that under my lash line and then bringing that up to my eyelids. Next, I'm going to be taking Wasted, and this is going to help bring in the purple tones for the eye look. And I'm going to be applying this under my lash line and once again applying this in circular motions above my eyelid. This is definitely going to hollow out our eyes while still giving that glam effect. I'm then going to be going back into Mood from the palette, and I'm going to be pressing this on to my eyelid in the very center and then bringing that down to tightline my lower lash line. I'm going to be going back into Wasted to help bring out those purple tones a little bit more surrounding the eye area. And then of course you just want to take a clean brush and make sure to blend this out. I'm then going to be taking Lights Out, and once again I'm going to be pressing this on to the center of the eyelid and tightlining my lower lash line, and then going ahead and blending this out as well. I'm then going to be taking my 𝐒𝐸𝐴 eyeliner in charcoal, and using this I'm going to be tightlining my lower waterline before going into my NYX Epic Ink Liner and creating a cat eye. Now I actually ended up adding some more detail to the eyeshadow look, so you can hold off on this, but I just wanted to show you because this was a step in the process, but it is one that at the moment you can skip, because I'm going to be taking my Stila liquid eyeshadow in 𝐒𝐸𝐼𝐸 and just applying this to the center of my eyelid and then bringing that down to my lower lash line. I'm then going to be going back into Wasted, and I'm going to be using this to help transition that glitter eyeshadow into the rest of the eyeshadow from earlier, and then to add a little bit more glitter since my 𝐒𝐸𝐼𝐸 was almost empty, I'm going to be taking Back Chat and Orchid, mixing them together, and applying this to these same areas just to help give it a little bit more pop of that glam look. Next, I'm going back into my Epic Ink Liner, and then I'm going to be doing the cat eye for real this time. I'm going to be creating a nice bold cat eye, and then I'm even going to be bringing that down to my lower lash line. Moving on to brows, I'm going to be starting off by taking my NYX Precision Brow Pencil in black and just lightly filling in my eyebrows before moving on to my Buckle Bunny Beauty Brow Wow Pomade and just filling in the arch of my brows. And I'm actually going to be going back into my NYX Epic Ink Liner and using this to add a few more brush strokes of some brow hairs throughout my brows, and then just setting them with my Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter Brow Gel. I'm then going to be prepping my eyelashes by curling them before going into my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just sweeping this through my upper and my lower eyelashes. For my false eyelashes, I'm going to be taking my E&E Lashes in Cherry and just applying this to my upper lash line before moving on to lips, where I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Bull Chic and just going ahead and outlining them. I'm then going to be taking Lights Out and using this to lightly fill in my lips. This is going to help create the ombre effect for when I go into my ColourPop Mulan Strong Chi liquid lipstick and applying this all over my lips. And that is my completed Miss Argentina makeup and wig tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. Also, if you haven't already, please consider supporting me on Patreon. You can support me for as little as $1 a month and receive all exclusive behind the scenes sneak peeks to upcoming makeup tutorials before anybody else, and it really does help support me and my channel. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Hey Spoops, cutting in for a minute to tell you how you can enter in my Halloween giveaway worth over $200, where one of you will be winning all of these Halloween makeup goodies. This giveaway is going on from October 1st to October 31st at midnight, aka like November 1st at midnight, like in between, that in between space, that one. So in order to enter into my giveaway, you first need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Next is to leave a comment on my 2021 Halloween makeup tutorials. My Halloween makeup tutorials that I'm going to be uploading this month, it's ideally going to be one every weekday for the entire month of October, which comes out to 21 makeup tutorials. They are the tutorials that I'm going to be selecting the winner from. And the way that I'm going to be doing it is 21 makeup tutorials. I'm going to number them 1 through 21 and have a random number generator select a random number between 1 and 21, and I'm going to select that video associated with that number and have a random comment generator select a comment from that video. You can most definitely comment on all of my videos, and that gives you the best chance of entering, because that way you consistently have a comment on every single video, so that way whenever the video is picked randomly, you are definitely entered in that area. Third is you definitely need to make sure that whenever you leave a comment, this is very important, that you leave your Instagram handle tagged in the comment. I'm going to be DMing the winner through Instagram, so definitely make sure that your profile is public on Halloween, so that way I can DM you and let you know that you won. But I will need to be able to find you. If I click on your comment, I'm gonna need to be able to find you, so please leave your Instagram handles in the comments whenever you leave a comment throughout the entire month, just because I want to be able to message you and let you know that you won, because otherwise I won't really have a way to get a hold of you. And last but not least, this is unfortunately only open to US residents only. This is the first giveaway that I am doing. I would really love to open it up internationally in the future, here. However, because this is the first giveaway, I want to make sure that it goes well, so I'm going to leave it US only for now, and then hopefully in future giveaways I can make it international. And because I'm not sure if I need to say this or not, no purchase is necessary in order to enter to win, and we will only be having one winner for all of these fun Halloween goodies. So I'm so excited. Once again, thank you guys so much for supporting me, and back to the video.